Hi, friends, how are you today? I hope you're feeling good and I hope you enjoyed your 1 week vacation. Now we're going to learn phonics today, and our topic is the letter S. S makes the sound S. Can you say it with me? S makes the sound S. So let's look at some words that has the beginning sound S, which is the letter S. The first word with the beginning sound S is sun. Sun. The next word is spaceship. You can ride a spaceship to the moon. The next word with beginning sound S or the letter S is socks. Do you have green and purple socks like the one you see in the picture? The last picture I want to show you that has the beginning letter S or the sound S is star. You can see the stars during nighttime. So today, the words that we learned are sun, spaceship, socks, and star. So friends, tell me, what sound does the letter S make? Yep, S makes the sound S. This is the end of our lesson for today, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.